Hello guys, today I'll show you how to enable a disabled app on your Android. So let's dive in. Firstly, open the Settings app and for a faster search, tap into the Search tab and type in Apps. Go into it and here you will see the list of every app on your Android. And for a faster search, tap into the search icon and type in an app that is disabled. For example, mine is YouTube. So as you can see, the app is marked as disabled, and to enable it, just tap on Turn On. And after completing these steps, the app will be reactivated and will appear in the list of available apps for use. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.